All right, let's talk about something that's a huge headache in manufacturing: collecting payments. You know the drill, right? It's just this constant manual grind. And yeah, it's a super critical function, but man, it's slow, it's full of potential errors, and it can really hold your business back. So today, we're gonna dive into a much smarter way to handle all this.
So let me ask you this. Is your accounts receivable team actually driving strategy, or are they stuck just chasing down payments day in and day out? If it feels like they're just spinning their wheels on follow-ups, trust me, you are definitely not alone.
You know, this is what that manual collections grind really looks like. For so many AR teams, it's a daily struggle. They're juggling multiple ERPs, customer portals. It's a mess. And it's not just slow, it's a recipe for mistakes. We're talking duplicate reminders, incorrect invoices, you name it. And what's the result? Your most skilled people are trapped doing low-value admin work, and your cash flow, well, it takes a serious hit. But here's the good news: you can absolutely break that cycle. The answer, not surprisingly, is automation. And that's where a solution like ZAPTEST comes in. It is literally designed to wipe out this manual grind for good. And you might be thinking, okay, how does it work? It's actually incredibly simple. First, ZAPTEST just captures your current process, what your team already does. Then its AI, called Zoe, goes to work, interacting with any app or portal you use. We're talking ERPs, customer portals, even Outlook. It automates the whole shebang, sending personalized emails, attaching the right invoices, and you get to schedule and scale it however you want. Okay, so that's the how, but what's the real business impact? Let's talk about what this means for your bottom line. Because this isn't just about making things a little more efficient. It's about a direct, totally measurable boost to your company's financial health. Get this, we're talking about an 80% time savings on collections follow-up. 80%. I mean, just pause and think about that for a second. That is not just some number on a slide. That's a massive amount of capacity you've just unlocked for your team to focus on work that actually matters. And this really shows the transformation perfectly, right? On one side, you've got the before, delayed, unpredictable cash flow. On the other side, the after ZAP test, totally predictable cash flow. Those aging balances that just keep creeping up, they start coming down, all because your outreach is finally consistent, timely, and automated. And let's not forget what this does for your finance team. You're not just making them more efficient, you're empowering them. When automation handles all that busy work, your people are suddenly free to focus on the high-value stuff, resolving complex disputes or building strategic relationships with customers, the kind of work that actually grows the business. So when you step back, you see this is about completely reframing the role of AR. It's no longer just a reactive, administrative chore. It becomes a proactive, strategic engine for your entire financial operation. Yeah, this quote just nails it. Transforming AR from a repetitive chore into a strategic driver of working capital. That's the whole game. You're literally turning what was once a cost center into a genuine value creator for the company. So, I'll just leave you with this final thought. Seriously, think about it. If you could give your team 80% of their time back, what could they really achieve?